Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese kabab. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of firm paneer, cut into 1-inch cubes, along with colorful bell peppers and red onions. For the marinade, combine 1/4 cup of thick yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and a blend of aromatic spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala. Don't forget to soak your wooden skewers for at least 30 minutes. Now, let's get those flavors infused. Gently toss your paneer cubes, bell peppers, and onions with the rich marinade, ensuring every piece is well coated. Let them rest for a minimum of 30 minutes, or even longer in the refrigerator for deeper flavor penetration. Once marinated, carefully thread the paneer and vegetables onto your pre-soaked skewers, alternating for a visually appealing and evenly cooked kabab. Aim for about 3 to 4 pieces of paneer per skewer. It's time to cook these delicious kababs. You have a couple of great options. If grilling, preheat your grill to a medium-high setting. Cook the kababs for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning them frequently until they achieve a beautiful golden brown char. Alternatively, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the skewers on a baking sheet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping them halfway through to ensure even cooking and a perfect texture. Your delicious cheese kababs are ready. Garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of bright lemon juice for an extra zing. Serve them piping hot with a refreshing mint chutney or a crisp side salad. They make a fantastic appetizer or a light main course. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other amazing deals. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.